Hey there, I'm Daniel, creator of FlowDeck, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use FlowDeck to give your agent eyes and hands so it can actually see and interact with your app. You can use FlowDeck to build and run code and manage your entire iOS environment, but you can also use it as a very good QA engineer. So here we are in Claude Code. And we have a little application that I wrote for this demo, which is a basic weather application. It gives you a weather in your current location with a lot of information that you might find useful. And it allows you to add and manage other cities and locations to check the weather in them too. Now, this is a very simple app. I'm going to go ahead and tell Claude to act as a QA engineer here. What it's going to do is going to review the design of every single screen in the app. Then it's going to go ahead and test all the interactions like adding cities, checking the forecast, making sure you can add and remove multiple locations, testing the stability and making sure the information presented is accurate and reliable, and identify some potential edge cases like malformed input or things that may break the application. If it finds bugs or issues, it's going to go ahead and fix them. And in the end, it's going to give us a summary report with some results that we may want to check out. So this is going to be taking a little bit of time. And this is not designed to work while you watch. Basically, you can give Claude this prompt, go grab a coffee, which is exactly what I'm going to do. And we'll talk in a few minutes. All right, so it's been about 16 minutes, and as you saw, FlowDeck managed to help Claude navigate the app, and we got a nice report with everything that happened. So we have a full screen review with all the past status for the main UI, including comments for each one. Then we also have feature by feature testing and making sure everything's work and passed. Actually, it fixed one issue that it found when removing cities. And then we also have edge cases covered and a quick summary of the bugs it fixed. It actually had an issue with when removing a city, the index was not properly handled, and therefore the position of the city was not correct. And we even have some observations in terms of UX, like when we're using Celsius, some of the metrics may be not what Celsius users are used to. And we may consider fixing that later. So overall, this is how FlowDeck can interact with your app, check how it works, validate everything's correct, and actually go ahead and fix things for you while you grab a coffee. So this is how you use FlowDeck for testing, but the same applies for building new applications. You can give it an image and let Claude Code go through it and build the application for you. In fact, this little application that you saw here was entirely built by Claude using FlowDeck automation. Now, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out in X or in our Discord channel. And you also have a 7-day trial if you want to take FlowDeck for a spin. I'm Daniel, and see you around.